Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to learn one more new phonic sound. What is that? Let me ask one question. Do you like something to spread on the bread? Yes, we spread butter and also one more sweet yummy thing on the bread to make it tasty, right? What is that? Yes, think. What is that? That's many children's favorite sweet thing. What is that? Jam. Yes, that is jam. You like to spread it on the bread? Yes, now? Now, today we are going to learn that sound. What is that sound? J. Let me show the pictures. J, jam, j, jam, j, jellyfish, j, jellyfish, jaguar, j, jaguar, j, jet, j, jet, j, jelly beans, j, jelly beans, j, jacket, j, jacket, j, jar, j, jar. So now children, tell me what we are going to do next. Now you all know, right? Now it's recap time. Yes, are you ready? J jam, j jam, j jellyfish, j jellyfish, j jaguar, j jaguar, j jet, j jet. Jelly beans, jelly beans, jacket, jacket, jar, jar. So children, today we learn one more new sound, right? What is that? J. Now let me show you how to trace that sound and how that j looks like. See, this is how the sound j looks like. This is the head, and this is the tail. Are you ready with tracing fingers? Yes. First observe how I am tracing, then you can practice. J, j, j. So this is how you need to practice tracing, and also you need to learn the words related to the sound j. Okay children, next time I'll come up with one more new sound. Till the time, take care. Bye bye.